The healthcare debate and the troubled economy may be hurting President Obama's job approval ratings, which the Gallup poll puts below 50% for the first time ever this weekend. 48% approving, 44% disapproving. To help us put the political week in focus, we're joined now in Washington by our political analyst, John Dickerson. Good evening, John. And what do these numbers reflect?
Well, statistically speaking, those numbers are about where they've been for the president for the last week or so. But politically, it's very bad news when approval rating drops below 50%. To explain that, we just need to look at the question that's been asked to people over the last several months if they approve or disapprove of the president's handling of the economy. The number of people who disapprove now is greater than the number who approve. And as that disapproval number has gone up, the president's general approval ratings have gone down.
Obviously, a victory on health care would likely increase his job approval ratings, but the Democrats have a tough road ahead, don't they?
They have a very tough road. The Senate Democrats got a little victory last night, but the only victory was in getting the Senate to just begin the conversation. Now that conversation is going to turn into a roiling argument of the kind we've heard for the last several months over issues like abortion, over the public option, over how to fund all of this and where the cuts will come. The problem for the president and his allies is every time they pick up the vote of a senator who has said they will vote against health reform, they can lose another senator or a member of the House who has the opposite view on one of these contentious issues. So it's a very tough road ahead.
Threading the needle is very challenging. On another subject, what about this long-awaited decision by the president on Afghanistan? When can we expect to hear what he plans to do?
We know that the president is going to add more troops. The best guessing at the moment is it's around 25 to 30,000. And in terms of the timing, it's probably going to come the week after Thanksgiving. So what we'll see this week coming up is the White House maybe start to frame that decision that the president's going to bring forward. The key question, the key thing the president wants to get across is that he's got an exit strategy for getting out of Afghanistan.
Political analyst John Dickerson in Washington tonight. Thanks so much.